Today, I'm going to introduce the most affordable wireless earbuds that will cost you $9.99 only. $9.99 only. Is the sound quality acceptable? Yes, the sound quality is acceptable. Not only acceptable, it is pretty nice. Let's compare the sound quality of these best budget wireless earbuds with the Apple AirPods Pro, the original AirPods Pro. The first recording is the Apple AirPods Pro. The second one is this best budget wireless earbuds.
On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my head, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to start for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard a mission bell.
Can you hear the difference between these most affordable wireless earbuds and the Apple AirPods Pro? I bet you can. Indeed, the sound quality of AirPods Pro is much better. But the price of AirPods Pro is also much higher, considering the price of AirPods Pro is 20 times those of these best budget wireless earbuds. Do you think these best budget wireless earbuds have a good value? Please leave your opinions in the comment sections below. We have compared the wireless earbuds speaker sound quality. Now let's compare the microphone sound quality. First, let's see the microphone sound quality of the AirPods Pro. Hello, this is Michael from AE in China. Can you hear me? Oh, you can hear me. The voice is very clear. Of course, it is very clear. I use the original AirPods Pro. Do you want to buy one? No? The price is too high? Yes, I agree with you. The price of AirPods Pro is very high. But this price is not a problem for Tim Cook. See you, bye bye. Now, let's see the microphone sound quality of these best budget wireless earbuds. Hello, this is Michael from AE in China. Can you hear me? The sound quality is not very well. Come on, as long as you can recognize my voice, please do not complain about the sound quality. Anyway, I'm using the most affordable wireless earbuds. The price is $9.99 only. Buy AirPods Pro? Are you kidding? The price of AirPods Pro is 20 times of these best budget wireless earbuds. Can you lend me some money? No? Then I will continue to use these most affordable wireless earbuds. See you, bye bye. Now let's have a close look at these most affordable wireless earbuds. 4 colors. Definitely. At least one color you will like. Excellent sound quality. Touch control earbuds. Patient. Inside, sponge, paper card, USB charging cable, extra 2 pairs of ear tips. Indeed, English user manual. If you are interested in these most affordable wireless earbuds, please click the product link in the description below. For orders over $30, we provide free delivery worldwide. If you have any questions, please contact us. I will see you in the coming videos. Bye bye.